Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to print a window in Chrome on your PC. Printing a window can be useful when you want to save a web page or a specific section for later reference. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right, click on More. Look for the icon consisting of 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Print from the drop-down menu. This will open the Print dialog box. In the Print dialog box, you can adjust settings like choosing the printer, paper size, and layout options. You can also specify the pages you want to print. Once you've customized the settings, click on Print to start printing the window. Printing a window in Chrome on your PC is a quick and easy process. Check out the video tutorial to see the steps in action. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.